Hello, Billy Elliott here. This is a current events thing that's happening in New York City. This comedian, his name is Marcos Cofrezi, aka Leo C. This guy shot some dude on the subway. This guy's a subway shooter, and he was slated to perform tonight at LOL Comedy Club in Times Square. And let's be honest, I think probably everyone at the bill at LOL Comedy Club, probably everyone at the bill at LOL Comedy Club is a potential subway shooter. Probably everyone that is just probably what's going on.